Hi everybody. Today I'm going to tell you a bit about vitamin D deficiency, which is very much prevalent these days. Uh, Vitamin D is a naturally occurring fat-soluble vitamin D that is it does not dissolve in water, and it is naturally occurring in the skin. The inactive form of vitamin D is naturally present in the skin, and it gets converted to the active form of vitamin D as the sunlight falls on the skin. So, because most of the people, even the children, the adults, most of the time we are working indoors and we stay inside with not much exposure to sunlight. Most of us are deficient in vitamin D. So, what does vitamin D do? Vitamin D is essential for the absorption of calcium. Calcium, so even if you are taking in adequate amounts in your diet, but since if the vitamin D is deficient, adequate calcium absorption may not take place. Since the bones are made up of calcium and phosphate, so the bones may be deficient in calcium and may lead to fractures, bone pain, so lethargy, muscle pain, myalgias, and a tendency for fracture. Vitamin D deficiency also has an effect on the immune system, and vitamin D deficiency weakens the immune system, and so you may get more of respiratory tract infections such as cold and flu. Since one experiences weakness, muscle pain, bone pain, so one may have low mood or also land himself into depression because of such bodily aches and body pains. Then hair loss is yet another feature which may be common in women. Women past menopausal age because require vitamin D supplements for the adequate calcium absorption, as the female sex hormone estrogen keeps on the level keeps on going down past the menopausal age, and males particularly above 60 years of age require vitamin D supplements to make up for the deficiency. Also, in children, vitamin D deficiency may lead to rickets. Rickets is commonly encountered in small children, and it may lead to bent bones, soft bones, because of deficiency in calcium. So, how can you replenish your vitamin D deficiency? Going out in sun, taking adequate sunlight. Even if you sit under the sun in the early morning hours, when there is sunlight for 20 to 30 minutes, that may be adequate to replenish your vitamin D stores in the body. Then diet or the foods rich in dairy products, egg yolk, fish, as well as meat. They all are sources of vitamin D vitamin. And then last of all, just to make up for the vitamin D deficiency, one can always go in for vitamin D supplements, and we can make up for the vitamin D deficiency and feel better, and get relieved of all the signs and symptoms which happens because of vitamin D deficiency. Um, Hope this video was useful for you, and for any queries or any of your questions, you can reach out to me at my given phone number, or you can reach out to me at my clinic, that is Hope Allopathy Clinic, in sector 49, South City 2, Gurgaon. Thanks a lot.